In modern times, CCTV cameras are installed almost everywhere. They are found in banks, shops, offices, streets, apartment buildings, and even inside residential complexes. When a crime occurs, one of the first questions investigators ask is there CCTV footage? But an important legal question arises. Are CCTV recordings valid evidence in court? The short answer is yes. CCTV recordings can be valid evidence in Indian courts. However, certain legal conditions must be satisfied before they are accepted. CCTV footage falls under the category of electronic evidence. Since electronic records can be copied, edited, or tampered with, courts require safeguards to ensure authenticity. The court must be satisfied that the footage is genuine and has not been altered. The source of the recording must be clearly identified. It should be shown that the camera was functioning properly at the relevant time. The device that stored the footage must be accounted for. In many cases, proper certification is required to confirm how the electronic record was produced and preserved. If CCTV footage is accompanied by proper certification and chain of custody, it can carry significant evidentiary value. CCTV recordings may help establish presence at a location, sequence of events, identity of persons, or timing of an incident. However, CCTV footage is not automatically conclusive. The opposing party has the right to challenge it. They may question whether the footage was edited, incomplete, or taken from an incorrect angle. Sometimes footage may be unclear or of poor quality. In such situations, the court evaluates it along with other evidence. CCTV evidence is usually considered corroborative. It supports other forms of evidence, such as witness testimony or forensic findings. Understanding the legal validity of CCTV recordings is important because digital surveillance is now part of everyday life. Courts recognize its importance but insist on reliability and authenticity. Knowing how CCTV evidence works helps citizens understand both the power and the limits of digital proof in court. Know your rights, understand your responsibilities.